Kanti Mjolo ungubani na? Mjolo ingabe ubani na? Guys, you know one thing about Mjolo sana? Ngathi it will always end in tears. I've never seen people that always end things well ngomjolo. It's only a few, man. It's only a few. So kuthiwa ke allegedly Usta and Leon Gumede have broken up, guys. These people looked so good together. They are both funny. They did the content together. Their content was so fun. Kodwa ke kuthiwa ke they have allegedly broken up because people, I know someone will come in the comment section and say, hey, uthanda indaba zabantu. Hey, mind your own business. Guys, I can't mind my own business. I have a gossip channel, so I have to gossip. I really have to gossip about such things, you know? But it is true. People are suspecting that they have allegedly broken up because they deleted each other from all social media platforms, guys. This is the account Yaga Star. Star deleted Ulion everywhere. We content because they are both content creators, so they have been creating content together, obviously as lovers, and also creating vlogs on YouTube. They have been giving it to us, you know. But it seems like we won't be seeing any more of the couple, Sana. And people are saying, good, Chivele Leon did not love this girl. Leon has always been in love with Uchuli Lamuka. Guys, how can you guys say that? Like, Nazela Happy, you are now talking things that you are not sure of, you know? And we never know who was wrong. Phela kwi-acrimony. But nje, hey, Sana, it's really sad. Nje, it's really sad. You know one thing about these social media relationships, they never end well. They never end well. So also ke uLeon naye on his social media platforms, he also deleted Usta every content that he did with Usta. There is no star with social media platform Yaga Leon. You know? Which is why people are just alleging, good to know, man. It seems like something is beating the waters there. It seems like these two have broken up. What is the issue? Like, what is the whole story, you know? But I know we will soon find out. Maybe they are still trying to deal with it privately, or maybe we are wrong. They did not break up. It's just us and Jay liking people's businesses. But nje, hi, kuningi sana. So guys, take a look at Leon Gumede's platform also. She is not there, and they used to do videos like for days, sana. But Ukel is not there. It is not there. Even if, and I don't know, maybe they are just, you know, having that phase in a relationship, or maybe they're just fighting. I hope they did not break up. I really loved them together. They looked so cute together. They looked so cute. But I don't know, guys. Please let me know in the comment section down below. Just because people deleted each other from social media platforms, does it mean it is over? Like over, or maybe does it mean that they had an argument? Hmm? Do you guys think these people have broken up, Sana? Because if they have, people are going to have a field day on Facebook because well, they wanted Ulion with Uthuli Dlamuka. They just want them together. So nje, people are going to have a field day. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you on my next one. Bye.